Hello, and welcome back to Kulturschöpfer YouTube channel. And welcome to Creative Sessions for Kids and Adults. In today's session, we are going to recreate an artwork of Pablo Picasso using the art technique of collage. As you can see, I did a portrait, cutting some fruits, flowers, doing a little bit of eyelashes. Let's do it. Are you ready? In today's creative session, we will need some table covering to have a safety working place. It could be like an old cloth table like that one, or you can just use a large piece of paper like this, or maybe something that you have at home and you want to use it to protect your table or your working area. What more we need? We will need, of course, some glue stick like that ones. We'll need scissors. If you have safety scissors, will be amazing for children, just remember that. Then we will need a piece of paper to glue here all our images. If you want to use something else, like maybe newspaper or another type of base for the portrait, it's fine, just be creative. And finally, we will need some magazines. Like for example, in this case, some supermarket advertisement, or feel completely free to choose any magazine that you have at home and you want to use for this session. Just remember that creative session is a safe space for your own imagination, so be bold and let your inner artist show. Let's do it! Step 1. Put your favorite playlist and enjoy the process. Step 2. Get your table protected and your working area safe for getting messy. Easy. Step 3. Grab your scissors and the advertisement from the supermarket and start cutting the images that you like to create your portrait. That could take a while, so just enjoy the process and be creative. Step number 4. Once you think that you have enough images, it's the time to start creating your safe portrait, or maybe a portrait of one of your friends or family. One thing that really helps me out is that I create the portrait first without the glue, like putting the images here, and I decide where do I want to place them. And once I have my idea, I grab the glue stick and I start gluing. You see? It's just about creating and let your inner artist do something different. So yeah, I just create a portrait. Now I need to decide if I like it or not, and if I want to glue it or not in my piece of paper, if I want to change something. So that's the point, just as you see, try to enjoy a little bit and do something fun. So yeah, now I will start to glue all the images and to create a portrait, or at least to try to do it. As you see, it's getting every time more and more defined. I'm creating all the hair because I have curly hair. So I'm trying to do a little bit curly hair, and then I'm going to try for the face. And as you see, I always have my head in the clouds and with a lot of art over here. So let's see what we can do. And finally, last steps, trying to create a mouth. Almost done. And done! Congratulations! You have finished one more creative sessions for kids and adults. I hope that you enjoyed this interpretation of Pablo Picasso artwork. If it is like this, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Be ready for the next creative session. I hope that you have a lovely afternoon.